Happy birthday, Taehyung naman talaga. Happy birthday. Ikaw na ang pinagpala ni Jesus, kahit nag-birthday siya. Kasi grabe ang mga paayuda for your birthday. Parang birthday din namin. Kasi unang-una binati ka ng asawa mo. This was posted, I think, 7 minutes after 12. See? 7 minutes after 12 at ang pogi mo dito. And this was a never seen before video of Taehyung shot by Jungkook. I will share the video here habang tumatalak ako, but I want you guys to take note of the date. This could either be July 8 or August 7 of 2025. Eh ano ngayon? Eh di luma na. That's not the point. Ang point is tinago to ni Jungkook all these months para lang ilabas on his birthday. Jowa things. And this morning, he went live. I thought he was alone just to receive all the greetings or to have a proof of life na buhay siya during his birthday. But no, he was with RM, Jungkook and Jimin, and J-Hope. These are all very quick lives that you can watch on Weverse, but I will be posting clips here. Kasi nakakaloka yung mga live. During this particular live, everyone greeted him, happy birthday, so nakipagkamay siya sa kanila isa-isa. So syempre kinilig ako nung nag-shake hands sila ni Jungkook, but it was a normal handshake. Just like what he did with every other member. However, and I don't know if you guys caught this, those who were able to watch the live, but he shook Jungkook's hand twice. After niyang i-shake hands lahat ng members, he went back to Jungkook and shook his hand again. Para bang sinasabi niya na, ay hindi pwedeng kaparehas ka lang nung iba, kailangan special ka. I died. I will also post a part of a clip from this live kung saan si RM na yung may hawak ng camera pero bigla na lang nagdikit parang magnet itong si Jungkook at si Taehyung sa background. You have to watch it. After that live, they went live again, this time with Jin. Unfortunately, Suga wasn't with them. I'm so happy that they're all together for Taehyung's birthday, but oh my god, itong live na to, kailangan nyo itong panoorin, guys! So this is the part na nag-group hug na silang lahat, and syempre si Taehyung dumikit kay Jungkook. Nginudgod na naman niya yung mukha niya sa batok ni Jungkook at may pahag pa. I-share ko sa inyo yung clip right here. And meron pang part na hinahag niya si Jungkook doon. Ano yan? Ano yan? Andiyan ba yung regalo mo? It's only halfway through the day and marami pang mangyayari, I am sure. Pero parang nabigyan na tayo ng regalo. Thank you, Taehyung.